Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Messenger signed in and permissions enabled. First, open the chat with the bot or add it via the page link. Start a new conversation. Once done, greet the bot and state a clear intent, ask for help, set a reminder or request info. Make sure to use simple phrases and include keywords like help, schedule, or search. This jumpstarts the bot's context so it responds with relevant options instead of generic replies. Now you move into detailed exchange. Choose quick reply buttons to speed navigation or type specific details, dates, names, places, so the bot can act. Once the bot responds, refine results by asking follow-ups like show options or change time to 3 p.m. If you need structured output, request formats such as send as list or export to calendar. Pay attention to confirmation prompts and confirm actions to avoid accidental changes. To finish, confirm any actions the bot will take and pin or archive the chat for quick access. Save confirmation ID if provided. If something goes wrong, first rephrase the request. Simple wording often fixes misunderstandings. If that fails, make sure permissions and internet are active. Restart Messenger or re-add the bot. As a quick troubleshooting tip, clear the chat cache or log out and back in to reset session context before retrying the interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.